Well, hello again, fellow YouTubers. You may be familiar with some of my videos that showed the bane of the Spark EV's fast charging experience, the Electrify America charging stations manufactured by Efacec. The problem causing these stations to not charge the Spark was remedied a few months ago, and now, naturally, Electrify America is removing these stations. But as it turns out, it seems to be for good reason. From my personal experience, these stations, even when they were air quote operational, suffered problems, usually in the form of premature session termination and what appeared to be inexplicable reduced charging speeds. While this appears to have been tolerated by Electrify America for longer than a year, now that faster charging EVs under the VW umbrella are on the road and their owners are being inconvenienced by these malfunctioning stations, the window appears to be closed for Efacec to engineer a solution. Jeff Neiswanger, a freelance journalist and operator of ElectricRevs.com, wrote an article 14 months ago about this problem and the cause of it, which was the cable cooling system. I will link the article in the video description. It appears the problem couldn't be resolved to Electrify America's satisfaction, as now they're unplugging and replacing hundreds of stations.